Breaking, one of these Teslas wastes your money, the other steals your heart. Guess which? Air horn. Okay, that was dramatic. I'm Vinayak Gupta, your host, Model 3 Performance versus Model Y Performance, no fluff showdown. Hit like if you've ever Googled Tesla drag race at 2 a.m. Do you want speed that hugs corners or space that hauls everything? Comment 3P or YP and tell me why. Headline, numbers that matter. 0-60, Model 3, performance approximately 2, 9, 3.1 seconds. 0-60, Model Y, performance approximately 3, 5 seconds. Range, 3P, roughly high 200 S miles per charge. Range, YP a bit less, typically mid to high 200 S price. They trade punches around the low to mid $50Ks before incentives. Cash register, feel and handling. 3P, low, locked-in, slicey steering, track-ready vibes. YP, taller, stiffer, still spicy. It moves for a crossover. Space and sanity. 3P, sleek sedan, frunk plus trunk, enough for daily life and date night. Wink. YP, cargo cave, rear seats down, and it's basically Costco mode. Also more headroom and easier kid seat life. Baby emoji. Features that tip scales. Track mode plus on 3P. Power split, cooling, and slip adjustments for nerds like me. YP towing, up to around 3,500 pounds with the right setup. Ride. 3P feels sharper. YP rides taller and can feel firm on rough roads. Seating. Both 5, YP wins comfort and cargo. Charging and ownership. Both tap the supercharger matrix. Home charging =, the real lifestyle flex. Plug emoji. Tires, insurance. Performance trims chew rubber faster. Budget for it. Verdict in 10 seconds. Pick Model 3. Performance if you crave that planted surgical speed and canyon carving grin. Checkered flag. Pick Model Y Performance if you need space, speed, and family practicality without giving up thrills. It's the superhero crossover. Cape emoji. Hot take. If your daily includes strollers, pets, or camera gear, YP wins. If your daily includes apexes and lap times, 3P takes the crown. CTA time. Drop your commute length below. I'll reply with which one fits your life. Like if you want me to drag race them on a track. Subscribe for the full ownership cost breakdown next week. Bell ding. Fake outro music rises. Thanks for watch. Record scratch. Wait. Rapid fire SEO tips. Tesla Model 3. Performance versus Model Y performance range test track mode towing test insurance costs. Save this video, share to that one friend who still thinks the plaid is a fabric. Laugh. I'm Vinayak Gupta. Drive smart, charge smarter. See you in the comments. Whoosh. But wait, there's more. Let me break down the real ownership cost nobody talks about. Performance tires, $1,200 every 20K miles. Insurance, add 15 to 20% for performance trim. Home charging costs 5 cents per mile. Supercharging, 15 cents. Do the math. Resale value, both hold strong, but Model Y slightly edges out due to SUV demand. The comments are fire. Sarah says YP for dog mom life. Mike says 3P for weekend warrior. Current poll, 60% Team Model Y, 40% Team Model 3. Which team are you on? Tag me in your Tesla pics. I feature the best ones in my stories. Tesla Owners Challenge. Post your 0 60 times in the comments. Fastest time gets a shout out. Speaking of plaid fabric, shows plaid shirt. This is not a Tesla trim level. Laugh track. That's the sound of the future, folks. Use #Tesla Showdown in your posts. Let's get this trending. And yes, I just did the Tesla dance. Don't judge me. Air horn. Nerd alert. Both use the same 2170 battery cells, but pack configurations differ slightly. Track testing shows 3P is 2, 3 seconds faster per lap on most circuits. Real-world efficiency, Model 3 wins in city, Model Y surprisingly good on highway. Winter driving, both lose 30 to 40% range, but AWD keeps you moving. Final decision matrix. Rate your priorities. Speed, space, style, savings. Urban single professional, Model 3. Suburban family, Model Y. It's that simple. Both get the same software updates. You're buying into the Tesla ecosystem either way. My personal pick, Model Y Performance. Space wins for my lifestyle, but I respect the 3P purists. Smash that subscribe button. We're 500 away from 100K. Help me hit it this week. Ring that bell. New Tesla content every Tuesday and Friday. Can we hit 10K likes? That would be insane. You know what to do. Comments fuel the algorithm. Tell me your Tesla dream configuration below. Share this with one person who needs to see it. Just one. That's all I ask. Next week, I'm drag racing these against a Porsche 911. You won't believe the results. Behind the scenes footage on my Instagram. Follow at Vinaya Gupta for exclusive content. Shout out to a Tesla fan 2024 for the amazing photo submission. You're featured next week. Tesla merch drop coming soon. Link in description to join the waitlist. This has been the ultimate Tesla showdown. Both cars are incredible machines. Remember, the best Tesla is the one that fits your life. Choose wisely, drive electric. I'm Om Vinayak Gupta, your Tesla guy. Until next time, keep it electric. Whoosh, don't leave yet. Watch this video next and remember to subscribe. See you in the next one. Fade out with signature sound effect.